This is Jesus Christ Empower Ministries. This is the church that is in need of great repair. You can see this is the front of the building. Now I'll walk and show you the side of the building. You can see at the top where the roof needs work, where the windows are out. See, this is where the squirrels live and the birds. Along here, some repairs that need to be done. This is the back door on the side. This is the basement, which needs re-cementing all around the building. So as you can see, we are in great need of help for the repairs. Show you there is some property here at the fence line on the side. Taking you around the back. This is the back of the church. You see people come through here and tag the building, but there's still repairs along this roof. Excuse the blur, as I'm trying to look where I'm going and video. This is the side. There's part of that that needs to be fixed also. One of the windows here that needs to be fixed. Covered up. That one there needs to be fixed. Excuse me, tree stumps removed from the property. Here's the side of the building. It needs to be repaired. And make your way to the front. And let's get at the front. And the roof.